Open it. Look. Open it.
Oh.
Hi guys! Hi everyone! By the way, I am currently in New York. Supposedly for vacation, but God has different plans for me. Most likely kapag napanood nyo tong video na to, I'm ready to tell everyone that I am pregnant. Currently, July 3, I'm 9 weeks pregnant. I'm happy. Well, thank God, wala akong masyadong symptoms. Sa susunod na video na lang, I will tell you guys ano yung mga naramdaman ko and how I found out na buntis ako, no? So yeah, currently I'm just eating orange. I'm alone at home, waiting for Alexis to come home. But yeah, supposedly vacation lang yung New York ko. But God has different plans for me and Alexis, so I'm happy. For sure, all of the people na love ako and kami ni Alexis are also happy knowing na magkakaroon kami ng little bundle of joy. Namimiss ko na yung family ko in the Philippines, mga friends ko. But I'm also happy that I'm with Alexis. No? Alam niyo naman, LDR kami for 5 years. I'm happy to be spending time with him. During this pregnancy, pinapagaan niya yung life ko. So, I know he will be the best dad. Kasi ngayon pa lang, sobrang alaga na niya sa akin. So, I'm also happy to be sharing this journey with him kasi excited din ako makita siya maging daddy. So, yeah. Hopefully, pag na-post ko na to, matutuloy-tuloy ko na yung sharing ko ng journey ko of my pregnancy. But, for now, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo how happy I am na malaman na meron na akong little Lorraine or Alexis in my belly. Abangan ang gender. Pero you know what? Ang hula ko, boy. Alexis also said it's a boy. So we will see. Once na magkaroon kami ng what do you call this? Gender reveal, dun natin malalaman kung we're having baby boy or baby girl. But I think boy, kasi grabe yung kain ko, day. Ibang level para akong kumain para sa 3 tao. Parang non-stop yung gutom. Non-stop yung kain. Parang every hour I need to eat. Sometimes 3:00 ng madaling araw. Kumukulo na yung tiyan ko. Minsan kahit kakakain ko lang, gutom na naman ako. So, yeah. You know what, guys? I've been dreaming to be a mom ever since. And when I found out, di ko alam kung kakabahan ba ako, kung masaya ba ako, kung ano yung mafe-feel ko. Kasi mixed emotion. Tapos parang I'm also scared at the same time kasi ito anak ko na to. Nag-aalaga naman ako ng mga pamangkin ko. Pero iba yung level ng pag sa'yo na pala. No? So, I just want to, like, I always thank God for giving me the opportunity to be a mother. And I hope maging mabuti akong ina at magulang sa anak ko. I will try my best. But yeah, thank you Lord talaga kasi iba yung feeling. I'm so excited. Grabe, parang hindi ko ma-explain yung feeling. Parang naiiyak ko na sobrang saya ko. Iba yung feeling. And thank you Lord for giving me the opportunity to be a mom. Kahit wala pa, I mean physically hindi ko pa hawak yung anak ko, but alam mo yun. Finally, may matatawag ka ng anak ko. Ganon. Sorry. But yeah. I'm happy. You know, yung stay ko dito has given me a lot of time to think about myself, my career, my love life, my life, overall. Most especially career ko kasi this will be the longest time na wala akong trabaho, taong bahay ako. Sanay ako in, you know, working every day for a long time and finally, yung rest na gusto ko. Napag-rest naman ako. So far, nakapag-rest kasi kain tulog naman ako dito. Pero ibang work pala yung ibibigay sa akin ni Lord. So yeah. I hope makayanan ko. Please pray for me na maging healthy kami ni baby. Though mahaba-haba pang journey to, but I hope you also join us in this journey. I will try my best to share some bits and pieces of my life here. But yeah. Hopefully, alam niyo yun, makapag-share pa ako ng marami. Kasi feeling ko wala naman akong gagawin. So yeah. Look, ngayon kumakain lang ako ng orange. Inaantay si Alexis. Pauwi pa lang yan eh. So again, thank you guys. I will be sharing to you sa mga susunod na update. But now, July 3, I am 9 weeks and 3 days pregnant. We will see. See you sa mga susunod na araw. Bye!